Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Gonna make a quick update video on how exactly you can get started making a faceless YouTube channel and generating up to or even more than $10,000 or $20,000 per month. And I know when you hear that, it does sound crazy, but this is the internet where YouTubers and people who are just starting out channels are buying million-dollar properties because that's just the power of YouTube. And YouTube essentially is just a massive ads platform. Whenever you watch a video, there's an ad that plays and then they're trying to sell you a product and somebody clicks on it and everybody gets paid, and that's just how it works. And so if you can create a channel that generates views and people companies put ads in front of your videos automatically, that's how YouTube works, you split the revenue with YouTube. So I have a link below to join my Faceless YouTube channel program where I will break down everything. We have a private group chat, I'm updating it, and I'm gonna guide you along how to do it. But I just wanna dive in and really show you guys the process of starting a Faceless YouTube channel. I'm gonna dive a little bit into my personal analytics, how much money I've made from my YouTube channels. I have several YouTube channels. I have one completely faceless YouTube channel that brings in thousands of dollars per month. I utilize the faceless YouTube channel method on all of my channels, but I personally love putting my face on YouTube, so I do kind of a hybrid model. But I have one completely faceless channel where you don't see my face that's bringing in tons of money. When you click the link below, and by the way, there's a 30-day free trial when you sign up to my program. For the first 100 people who sign up, I think we're at about 30 people so far, so you can try it out and watch it all, and it's basically a free trial course at this point. But let me show you guys exactly what a faceless channel is and how you can get started, okay? And the best part is about YouTube is that it's free to create a YouTube account, all right? It's free to post videos. There's literally zero costs involved. Okay. So let me sync up my computer here. All right, so this is one of my YouTube channels that I have. And as you can see, within the past 365 days, I brought in $132,000, which is over $10,000 per month. As you can see on some of these days, bringing in, $500, $600, $700. This day brought in over $1,200. Some of these days bringing in over $1,000 consistently. And even on some of these days, I mean, what is that? $1,700, $1,900, $1,900, $1,800, $1,940. And this day was a really good day, $2,700. So, and even on, some of these lower days, still bringing in $400 or $500. And as you can see, just so far this year, this channel's brought in over 57K, which is, it's only May, so that's still over 10,000 bucks a month. Last year, 2023, the channel brought in over 10,000 bucks a month. I just saw that one day. That was literally the last day of the year. Ended that year on a really good note. And across all my channels, I make more money on my other channels as well. But basically, the way to start a faceless YouTube channel, guys, and again, when you join my link below, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But it really allowed me to change my life. I bought my dream house doing YouTube and doing the faceless YouTube channel method. And if you go to my website, theridesharehub.com, click on the faceless YouTube channel, you can start your free trial, and it that way you get charged $000, and then you get access to it. Then you log in and you can go to my programs and everything. But this is my house here, and I bought it with doing the YouTube faceless channel method, okay? This is another one, not the one I just showed you, but a different YouTube channel I have that brought in over 200 grand in lifetime. So I have, several different income streams from YouTube, and it's just incredibly easy for anybody to get started. I mean, some of these faceless channels are just absolutely mind-boggling how much money they're bringing in. Look at this, 5-minute meditation. This is a great example of a faceless channel, right? 5-minute mindfulness meditation. These videos are so easy to make, and people watch them. Look at this, 3 years ago. I wouldn't be surprised this video is bringing in 2,000 to 3,000 to 4,000 views a day, which translates to 20 to 30 bucks a day. And if you got 1,000 videos, 700 videos times 2,000, what is that? 140,000 views. That, I mean, you're talking about bringing in $2,000 to $3,000 a day just by making these videos, these little manifestation, meditation videos, and another one where you can just post, you know, political news clips, Forbes breaking news. This channel is bringing in millions of dollars. I wouldn't be surprised this channel is bringing in $1 million a month, 500K at least. Look how much they post. Almost every single minute they're posting 4 videos in 1 minute. They're just, you know, posting politics clips all day long. Look at this. And they are raking in money, my friends. Look at this one, 14 hours ago. It already got 100K views. This is, you know, this is thousands of dollars a day coming in from this channel. It's crazy. So these are just examples of faceless YouTube channels that you can start. There's so many different ones as well. There's, you know, the MMA news. Literally, I think news videos are the best faceless channels. But again, I will go more into depth below and I will guide you through it if you join my link, my course, because I will actually give you feedback. I have channel topics already preset, you know, ones that are verified good channel topics. And that way I will help guide you through it to get monetized. And people who join my course, I'm gonna be giving them shout outs, helping them, you know, gain subscribers, helping them get that view time, that watch time to start making, you know, some really good money. I used to have massive credit card debt. I'm just showing, this is a faceless YouTube channel where they literally just do MMA clips and they do voiceovers and stuff. I mean, this stuff is so easy to set up, guys. You'd be shocked at how much money these channels are bringing in money. It's crazy, right? And they just do trending stuff. Mike Tyson and Jake Paul, you know, you could make 20 of these videos and, you know, these people love the drama. People love the drama. Look at this one. Look how often they're posting. 1, 2, 3, 4 videos a day. Not all of them do great, but boom, that one did good. Not all of them do great, but boom, that one got 600,000 views. You know how much money this single video brings in, guys? Your 600,000 views, you're looking at around $5,000 to $6,000 from one single video. I mean, that could be you guys. This is life-changing money. So, again, check out my link below if you'd like. Otherwise, guys, just quick update. And let me know if you have any ideas for faceless channels or if you're making one. And yeah, otherwise, you can start the 30-day free trial link below or cancel it anytime if you don't like it. But I'd love to, you know, help you out. And this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will not make, if you're just starting out, you will not make money overnight. But if you put in the time, you put in the effort, you put in the hard work, you could start generating thousands of dollars per month, if not per day, on a daily basis for years to come. I mean, this stuff is absolutely incredible. And it can become passive too. I mean, one of you guys could create a channel like this and it can become completely passive, meaning you're just putting in, maybe not completely, but like, you know, 99% passive, where you're just kind of managing it. Maybe you have somebody doing the voiceovers for you. You have somebody doing the editing for you. You're paying them a little bit of money. You're paying them $1,000 to $2,000 a month while you're making 50, 60 grand a month. And, you know, you're just kind of making sure the pieces are moving around. And, you know, you could hire somebody to do the thumbnails. And I have all the resources down below for editors, thumbnail people, voiceovers. I have all those in the link below, guys. Literally making it so easy, because I've been doing this for 5 years now. I think this is the best thing for anybody to start out with. And it's a great learning process as well. You will learn so much marketing skills just by making videos like this and learning the algorithms and how to make money and moving around pieces. And at the beginning, you know, it's totally free. Like, you can do the voiceover yourself, you can do the editing yourself, the thumbnails yourself. I mean, these are not crazy thumbnails. I mean, this guy, he just used a Google image and it's still getting good views. I mean, even these ones are extremely simple. You guys can make thumbnails like this. I mean, these are not, you know, high-tech thumbnails. This one got 600, this video probably made 5 grand. And look how basic the thumbnail is. I mean, it's a good thumbnail, but it's not like, you probably wouldn't even need to hire somebody out. I'm sure this company does, this guy does hire somebody out, but anyways, check my link out below if you want to learn more. Otherwise, let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.